What is the manufacturing imperative? It is the acceleration of U.S. manufacturing needed for economic growth, job creation, supply chain resilience, and national security. It is an opportunity for academic institutions like Carnegie Mellon University to conduct research that will advance U.S. manufacturing productivity beyond automation by developing smart systems and innovative solutions that will drive industrial resilience and economic prosperity for the nation. At the Manufacturing Futures Institute, Carnegie Mellon engineers and scientists are developing human-centered digital technologies that will give U.S. manufacturers the operational edge they need to regain competitive advantage. Our researchers are solving complex manufacturing challenges that can enhance productivity by integrating powerful, human-centered artificial intelligence with sophisticated digital twin technology. They are developing robots that can perform fine manipulation tasks, readily adapt to shifts in complex production methods, and safely assist their human coworkers. Carnegie Mellon engineers and scientists are using AI and automated science to more rapidly develop new materials that are essential for critical transportation, electronics, energy, and healthcare applications. Researchers are advancing 3D printing with generative design and AI-driven monitoring and control techniques that can ensure the qualification of additively manufactured metal parts that will streamline automotive, aerospace, and defense sector production. And Carnegie Mellon is collaborating with public entities and private industry partners to develop strategies, programs, and policies that will rebuild a skilled and robust U.S. workforce. Learn more about how the Manufacturing Futures Institute is pursuing innovations in industrial technology that are accelerating U.S. productivity today and will deliver even greater economic prosperity in the future.